Zoe, come here, please. Can you wave? Can you say bye? Can you wave? Go bye-bye? Zoe, come here. Come here. Zoe, come here, please. What's wrong, Zoe? What's wrong? Hey, what's wrong?
She didn't take my bed.
What's wrong with that? You're getting a new bed. Look, Zoe. Look, Zoe. Zoe, look at me. Remember, you're getting a new bed. It's gonna be exciting.